for today's video kay going to tackle about comprehensive study of the artificial intelligence applied in renewable energy. Author kay Aziz bin Naji Obaida and Hosray Daniel T. Kotfast and Pedro A. Kotfast in June, established in June 4, 2024, publisher by Elsevier Ltd. Di pa yun post. Naon lang ako eh. So, overview, a comprehensive study of artificial intelligence AI applied in renewable energies, explore AI technologies and optimize management and enhance renewable energy system. The key aspect of this study includes the integrations of machine learning, data analysis, and the other AI technologies into the product of distribution and consumption of the renewable energy source like spinning solar power, photovoltaic microgrids, integrations, energy storage, and power management, wind and geothermal energy comprehensively. Problem statement: the non-renewable energies of conventional sources such as coal, natural gas, oil, etc. have been widely utilized and are still in use in various sectors of overcome the needs of energy and power generation. The large-scale depletions of non-renewable energies happen due to the rapid utilization of sources, which also caused by adverse effects like climate change and global warming owing with the high emissions of green gases. For example, sea level rising, glacier melting, forest destruction, air pollution, zone depletion, water and land use, radioactive emissions, acid precipitation, and wildlife loss, and damaging ecology, which would significantly threaten the economics and social sector significantly. Methodology: research and data retrieval strategy to assess the reputation connections between RE and AI application and export driven theoretical publication on what's conduct subsequent research feature of the article are explained conditionally under search field and high site works. And number 2 is data selection criteria. The selection of urban study of this domain is guided by several information sources. The following information sources were considered sustainable evidence of this research. Objectives: assess AI application in renewable energy, identify and analyze current AI technologies, machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks that are being applied in renewable energy sector and such as solar, wind, hydro, and biomass. Number 2, optimizing energy generations distributions. Investigate how AI optimizes and generation, storage, and distribution of renewable energy to reduce cost, improve and efficient, and maintain the grid stability. Number 3, enhance forecasting and prediction study of role of AI in accurately forecasting renewable energy product and demand, particularly in handling the variety of sources like solar and wind. 4. Examine grid integrations. Explore how AI can facilitate the integration of renewable energy sources into existing power grids and ensuring the grid stability and reliability by balancing supply-demand function. Number 5 is analysis challenges and optimizing. Number 6, analysis and challenges and optimize. Identify the ethical, economics, and regulations challenges that might limit the implementation of AI renewable energy system. Role in RE: we have RE types. The RE types will include solar energy, biothermal, geothermal wind use, ocean energy, and hydrogen energy, etc. And shown in Figure 2. AI tools and techniques was developed using the variety of learning categories, including neutral, static, and conventional learning all of which were developed in various literature publications. AI role in RE. Various reports have been published recently depiction AI played pivotal role in RE, specific the solar radiation energy take in prediction of solar system. We have application of AI in RE by using machine learning algorithms and statistical analysis like p-values and confidence limits. And we have application solar energy have been extensively employed for the determination of predictions, modeling, and forecasting for solar radiation of estimating solar source and AI-driven enhancing PV technology by using capabilities energy and researchers have been found and approached by both PV technology affordability, functional, and efficacy. So, this is the role of artificial intelligent renewable energy. We have AI solar microgrids, AI and wind turbine optimizations, and AI geothermal energy. So, we have case study. Number 1, wind power generations and prediction via ANN and India. So, India have begun with energy production area and with year-round high elevation wind. Unang case study kay gihimo nila ang kanang wind power generation dito sa India, which is Tamil Nadu, Mupada, one of the state designed location for this generating electric has high condition of wind farm. Then iyang potential kay it's considered output burst of related the unitized speed the wind generation hours and additional to one output burst of energy output of the wind farm. Then iyang advantage and limitations wind farm. For each of the 7 wind farm, the antifit with the energy output from the AND model match will be in the measured data. Ito kay we have AI based optimizing of PV wind MG for house electrical motivation. PV based system are safe, sustainable energy source. Installing them has been installed to the ground of our resource. So, iyang potential result. The study result to show the potential dimension of PV wind hybrid system with different loss of load probability based on the amount of wind speed and solar energy that are available in area. And disadvantage the electrical studies have been informed size optimizing method for determining the optimal hybrid PV wind system size that can be vector to get size optimized of BV array. Dito sila kakandak og case study sa Tikantik, China, Xinjiang province. Dayon kuan sila nag-training and test data were produced such as meteorological data of the 8,700 data set that are TRN system supplied. Ang 75% kay were used for training, dayon ang 25% kay used for testing din. Advantage and limitation. Challenges of AI and renewable energy. Number 1 is data acquisition and addition. Stability of the high quality data for model training and validation significant limits the availability of performance of ML models critical deep learning in any given applications. Key variable selection of parameter tuning in RI system. One of the crucial stages of preventing and maintenance of RE system is key variable selections, during which important characteristics is valuable retaining of model results are determined. Then, models of the various faults simultaneously. Since modeling multiple figures is simultaneously required process large database, it can significant impact that the algorithm real time. Dayon, stability and realization and predictions modeling, security and protects against data braces, performance and explainable issues, and last is energy storage grid integrations issues. Sorry. Recent advantages and future threats. We have exploring stability of AI and solar energy, one of the primary focus area of future AI-driven solar energy. Number two is future trend in microgrids, finding the best AI-based solution to create, produce, develop and run new generation for industrial system and effectively dependability. Number three is cloud computing, deploying an advanced robust models which compare the prognostic, maintenance, control, and monitoring system are often installed in site of the art sensor technology as traditional condition-based maintenance system is temporary and variations of analysis. Then scarcity of data and novel detections give the power of plants obtaining detection sensor data frame and test of model presents and significant problem. So we have methods. Number one is machine learning techniques. AI-driven machine learning methods are widely used for predicting models, classification, and optimizing tasks within the renewable energy system. Deep learning machines can be process large-scale data from renewable energy system for advanced predictions and classification. Optimization and techniques. Algorithm models produce energy system for increased efficiently, low cost, and reduce environment impact. Hybrid methods combine multiple AI technologies for enhanced informations. Then big data analysis, smart grid analysis, and energy resources management and predictive maintenance. And AI and energy marketing system will help analyze and optimize the economics aspect of renewable energy integrations. And for AI for environmental impact access and models help us assess and minimize the environmental effect of renewable energy. So this is my literature review. And artificial intelligence-based solar radiation porosity models for green energy utilized in energy management system. Then crucial renewable of the environment impacts of renewable energy system and mitigation strategy in emerging renewable and sustainability energy. Renewable energy based traditional system technology renewable challenge and opportunities renewable energy driven future, and last role of renewable energy source in environmental protections. Last conclusions. This review was aimed to provide a single source of data for these scientific engineers and researchers looking for its advantage and challenges associated with the role of AI-based algorithm and approaches play in advantage and a wide range of renewable sustainability energy system that technologies. The current status development report is experimental development report and the part of case study for both single hybrid RE system and applicability of AI were retried and evaluate the review. The role of AI in various areas of RE, specifically solar energy support, photovoltaics, microgrids, and migration for energy storage, power management, and wind and geothermal energy were comprehensive inversions in solar energy bias and simulations. AI approach have journey and lots of applications in PV technology that have been documented and research being done of its ability to process large data set regarding solar cell materials and their performance matter. And that's all. That's all. So thank you for listening and watching. Bye bye.